Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll be covering the most common ways of installing Home Assistant. There are many different ways of running Home Assistant depending on use cases and resources available. Some can be complex, some much simpler. This is an overview of the different methods. We will release tutorials for the various methods shortly. There are essentially 4 different installation types. OS. This is for PCs, small computers such as the Raspberry Pi, Odroid, Asus Tinkerboard, etc. Also a virtual image for VMware or Proxmox. Container. This is Home Assistant Core for Docker or similar environments. Core. Advanced manual installation using the Python virtual environment. Supervised. Front end for Home Assistant, allowing management of add-ons, etc. Using data from the Home Assistant Analytics website, we can see the most popular installation methods. A considerable majority are using the OS method, followed by Docker. The more advanced methods, Supervised and Core, have a much lower number of installations. Therefore, to keep this video beginner friendly, we will concentrate on the OS and Docker install. Advanced methods such as separate Core and Supervised methods will be covered in another video. Home Assistant OS install. Operating System install is a fully self-contained installation containing a complete Linux installation. It is an OS designed to run on a wide range of devices including the Raspberry Pi, Odroid, Asus Tinkerboard, any 64-bit x86 compatible device such as a PC or server, and virtual environments such as VMware and Proxmox. It is written as an image to the device's boot storage, which can be a hard drive, USB drive, SSD, or SD card. It runs a self-contained Docker install with a Home Assistant Supervised and Core Docker containers. This and add-ons, which are also Docker containers, are managed from the Home Assistant Supervised front end. Home Assistant Container install. Home Assistant Container install is a standalone container-based installation of Home Assistant Core. As it is a Docker container, it will run on any environment that will support Docker containers. This includes Docker, Docker Compose, Kubernetes, and many other platforms. The image is regularly updated and your Home Assistant install can be updated by pulling the latest image. Although the standard Docker image runs Core, other images are available to provide add-ons or the supervisor. Home Assistant install on NAS systems. If you run a true NAS server, you can install Home Assistant in one of 2 ways. Docker, presented in TrueNAS as applications. These can simply be installed without worrying about the underlying settings. Or a virtual machine. Many Synology NAS devices will run Docker and virtual machines. QNAP devices also support running Docker and virtual machines. Check with your device manufacturer to see if this feature exists on your make or model. What's the best method? There is no best method. What works for one person won't necessarily work for others. Consider the resources you already have, your skill level, and your needs. Do research on each method, whether the Home Assistant website and forums, Reddit, or this and other channels on YouTube. Finally, have fun learning. We hope you found this overview of the various methods of installing Home Assistant useful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for even more videos like this.